TerribleTed searching for I don't know what. That is cold water, Ted. Tobe's going, yeah, no way, man. Yep, standing on ice, that's a good idea. You were a crazy man. What do you see, Ted? What do you see? What do you see? Is there something up there? There he goes again. And that kind of water would kill the average person. And that climb where it doesn't look that tricky, that's vertical. This guy's like a little tank. So he's seen squirrels and things like that over here during the day. And I think he just wants to get one. If he sees them before they see him, it's going to be interesting. And I guess that's it. TerribleTed's back into the forest.